好，你好吗 ？Okay, I hope you 你很好 Okay, now let's move to the session of writing Chinese characters. I think, okay, I just bet up to now you will not feel so writing Chinese characters as difficult as before, right? Okay. The more we practice, okay, the more comfortable we will feel with the writing part. Okay. Now let's come to this is 第三课 Yeah, we are at 第三课 It's quite easy. 3, we just have 3 strokes. So we have 横 yes, okay. And for the writing of this character, just call your attention to the following 2 points. The first one is, so please make sure the 3 横 are not in the same length. Okay, the Chinese character when we write, we just emphasize we can say the beauty of variation. Okay, and secondly, I like to call your attention to the space. They just have something equal space so that the character just looks much better when you write it this way. Okay, and this one is 叫. Okay, and when you call somebody, so definitely you will use your mouth. So that's why we have the radical, the mouth part. Okay, 口字旁. Okay, and then for the left part, for the right part, okay, let's write this part together. We just have this one, 竖提, 竖. Yeah. Okay, we write this character together. We have the mouth, 口字旁竖横折横竖提 and then 竖 Okay, and please make sure the length of the 竖 this is the main stroke. It should be the longest one. Okay, and then we have 名 the name. Okay, now here I like to call attention. So do you have some idea about why we just have the lower part still another? There's a mouth as well. And in fact, the upper part is about the sunset, the twilight. Okay, it just tells you when it gets dark. So but at that time, in ancient time, there was no light. There was no the electric light. Okay, so people couldn't see each other very clearly. Then you have to call out. They have to call out others' name just to let others know who they are. Okay, and then that's why we just have 名 with the mouth. Okay, we can say at the lower part. So for this part, it's quite easy to write, right? You have already get some idea. So for the upper part, you have something similar, right? In the guest, 客 yeah. So we have 撇横撇点 okay, and then the mouth. Okay, I'd just like to call attention to this 横撇. It should be very long. Yeah. Okay, if you just make it very short, the character will not. It doesn't look good. If you say like this, so that's not good. Okay, and just to make sure that the whole character should keep the different components are just in a good harmony. Okay, and then we have 名字. Okay, I'd like to call attention to first for the lower part. Okay, we have some idea about what? About the baby. Correct. That's the baby. Yes. Okay, the baby part just tells you the pronunciation. It's 子, and then the upper part has something to do with the roof. Yes, the house. Okay, that's 子. Okay, and when you write this character, I like to call your attention to. We can say this is the main stroke, so it should be the longest one. And when we write, okay, you should just so it should be the longest one, and then hold the we can say to help the whole character so in a good balance. Okay, so we have 点撇横钩 and then 横撇竖钩横. Okay, let's write this character together. 点撇横钩横撇 and then 竖钩. Then we have 横. Okay, it should be the longest stroke. Okay, and the next one we have 认识 你认识他吗？认识。Okay, so we have the left radical, so that's 言字旁. As I mentioned, it has something to do with words, what you say. And the right part just tells you the pronunciation. So that's a person in Chinese, 人. And then you have 认识. So the 言字旁 is very important. Let's write this part together. So we have 点横折提撇捺. Okay, so make the whole character in a good balance. So we have the dot and this one, they are in the same, we can say altitude. Okay, and this part, so they are in the same, we can say same line. Yeah, to keep the whole balance, make the character look better. Okay, and the next one we have 什么？你叫什么名字？ So you are quite familiar with the left part already, right? Okay, so we have the single person, okay, and then the right part is quite easy, right? So we have 横竖. Now let's come to this 么, okay. It looks very simple, right? It's really easy to write this character. So we have 撇 and then 撇折点, okay. And here I'd just like to call attention to the length of this, the first 撇, okay, shouldn't be too long. It should be a little shorter than this 撇, okay. And then I call your attention, they are in parallel, okay. And that will make the character really looks, we can say, make the character look much better, okay. And the next one we have 高, okay. So do you have some idea about this 高? You know, originally 高 just means very high, very tall. And how do you make sense? Okay, how do you make a character look tall? Okay, so you just make, we can say, this kind of a platter, and then you add something more, so it's higher, right? So that's how the character get, we can say, so how the character was finalized in this way. So we have this kind of a platform, and then you put something more, okay? Now you just can get some idea about how the character evolves, okay? And then this one is 兴, 高兴. So we have 3 dots, 点点撇横撇点, okay? Just like to call attention to the, we can say, so you see, so we just have some, so 1, 2, 3, so 3 dots, but they all are different. Okay, so they are different in length and in the direction. Okay, okay, and then we have the last one is 呢, 你呢. Okay, to show yours, we can say da. Okay, so that's a question. Then we have the mouth, 口字旁, okay, and then we have the right part, okay. Now let's visit, okay, the Yes Chinese, and then you can get more idea about this 呢. So we have
竖呢横折横横折横撇撇竖弯钩.
Okay, so now you get a clear idea, right? So we have 竖横折横横折横撇, and then this part 撇竖弯钩. Okay, so that's all for the writing part. Now the homework. Okay. The homework, okay, now please listen to the recording about the pinyin and then listen to the textbook CD track 3, okay, and please write the following characters, okay. So that's all for this session, okay, 再见.